Yo, what's up? We are now sitting in the Kia EV4. This is the EV3's brother from the same mother. They should have the same headlights, at least when I Google about this. Well, not exactly the same. They have slightly different design because of the design language in the front. But they have supposedly the same cube lights. So on the EV3, it was actually quite good for an Asian car. We're going to see how it is in EV4 then. Boom! Ooh, look at that! Well, is it exactly the same? Because here I actually get the impression that it shines freaking wide, man. I've never seen an Asian car shine this wide before. The second best I've seen in wideness was a Neo. But here, it's like, dude, this is on a completely different level. And when I look at the video from the EV3, okay, they seem to be fairly bright and so on. And I remember I commented that it shines high, but here I was just blown away by how wide it is. It's like a German car. What? Wait, so is it actually the same? Can we trust the Google AI search? I'm not sure. But here, okay, try here. There's some trees in front. Whoa, look at that. Wow. I'm starting to wonder if these are actually better, at least in terms of wideness. Now, some of the best headlights from the German brands, they also have quite strong headlights, like in the ID.7 or the Q6 e-tron. So, but dude, this is actually really impressive. It is really impressive, man. Holy macaroni. So even on those these twisty roads, they actually give good enough width. Oh, there you go, there's the first D already. Yeah, I don't know if you guys saw it. I saw it. So okay, they don't turn. If we do this, okay, they don't turn, they don't refocus, anything like that. But just because it has that sheer wideness, it actually makes it really good for these kind of roads. And also, how is EV4 versus EV3? They have supposedly the same battery, same charging curve, similar, actually the same motor, front wheel drive, unfortunately, not rear wheel drive, but EV3 is shorter and taller, whereas EV4 is longer and lower. So they say that the EV4 is more the driver's car. Well, unfortunately, it's not all-wheel drive. Yeah, then it would be a true driver's car. But yeah, I mean, so I would expect that they are quite similar. They probably share lots of the hardware. But man, this is so good. This is so good headlights. Huh? The Asians are finally coming. Germans been having good headlights for a long time. But for example, versus my previous e-Golf, I get the impression that the Kia is even better than the e-Golf. But that was, you know, from 15, 14, the e-Golf. Look here, the farm inspection. Wow. Look at that. Huh? Okay, just walk him up now. Well, yeah, so, very good. One thing, if we would point at something here, is that it's not it's very uniform light. It seems to have a little, I don't know, you can see some corners, sharp corners on the lights, but it's not really bothering me. So I've seen worse in some other cars. And many cars actually, especially Asian cars, they tend to have this hot spot towards the middle. Here it seems to distribute the light better. And also shines fairly high, which is good, and not just straight in front or just a short. Oh, there you go, then the second deer. Yeah, lots of wildlife over here. But yeah, also shine wide. It's like a rectangular box. How to describe this? It's not 16 by 9 width. It's more like 21 or 25 by 9, you know, that ratio roughly. So wow, very impressive. Yeah, very impressive indeed. I'm gonna test eventually how it goes in the 1,000 kilometer challenge. I did pick up the car today. It was slightly delayed, but yeah. Also, okay, there's no matrix lights here. It's just on and off, just dumb headlights. Yeah, here you can see more the low beam cut-off path, and then the high beam just shines over it. Yeah, that's why you kind of see that little is non-uniform, but it's, like I said, no big deal. So, okay, if I would give this some score, how much would I give it? Well, it's more than 5. I'd say maybe a good 7 or 7. I mean, yeah, very good indeed. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Huh? Would you give it a 7 out of 10? Okay, anyway, that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.